Morning students, how are you? Now we are going to continue our chapter. So listen carefully. A little river over the creek. What is creek? Little river. Over the creek there will be the wizard's house, and that's why the Roger skunk went. And pretty soon he came to a little white house. Where he reached? He reached to a little white house, and he rapped. Rapped means hit hard. So many, several times hit hard. On the door, Jack rapped on the windowsill, and under the covers, Joe's tall figure clenched. Clenched means squeezed in an infantile. Infantile means innocent thrill. He hit the door, window sill so many times, several times, and then a tiny little old man came out with a long white beard and a pointed blue hat. He wore a pointed blue hat and said, "Hey, what is this? What you want? You smell woeful." The wizard's voice was one of Jack John's favorite effects. Now he was asking the question, "What do you want? What is the?" And after that he did it by the scrunching means crumpling up his face and somehow winning through his eyes, which felt for the interval roomy. He felt being an old man suited him. Clear? "I know it," Rosa skunk said, "and all the little animals run away from me because his smell was so stinky, so that's why no one wants to play with him." The enormous wise owl said, "You could help me." Now he wanted his help. Well, maybe. Come on in. Don't get too close." He was also saying, "Vita, don't close to me." Now inside Joe there were all these magic things, all jumbled together in a big dusty heap because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady. Why? Because he was a wizard and a very old man. Will he die? No, wizards don't die. Well, he rummaged around and found an old stick called a magic wand. Rummaged means search, found here and there, and we call it a magic wand. And asked Roger skunk but he wanted to smell like. Roger thought and said, "Roses." Now he was spilling the words, so that's why he asked, "Which smell do you want to?" Which came to from him. "Yes, good," you said smoothly. Yak fixed her with the trance and like gaze and chanted in the wizard's elderly, irritable voice. Irritable? No one likes. With the dare, and the gaze means dare, and chanted. Abracadabra, hocus pocus, Roger skunk, how do you do? Roses, roses, pull an ear. Roger skunk, you never fear. Wingo. He was chanting the magic words. So that's why he paused as a rap expression widened out from his daughter's nostrils, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lip down in a wide, noiseless grin. Rap means very quick expression. Quick expression. Grin means smile. An expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feigning pleasure at cocktail parties. And now all of a sudden he whispered the whole inside of the wizard's house was full of the smell roses. Now which smell was coming? The smell of roses. Roses. Roger Fish cried, and the wizard said very cranky, "That will be 7 pennies. Now what does he want? 7 pennies. Daddy, what? Rosa skunk. You said Rosa fish. You are now. He was asking the question. You are Daddy. You were telling the story of Rosa skunk, but you are telling now. You are using the word Rosa fish. Yes, skunk. Now he has have come to know his mistake, so that's why he said, yes, I am telling about skunk. You said Roserfish was not that silly. Very silly of your stupid old daddy. Where was I? Well, you know about the pennies. Say it. Okay, Roser skunk said, but all I have is 4 pennies. But now he was saying, I have only 4 pennies. He began to cry. Joe made the crying face again, but this time without a trace. Trace means expression of sincerity. This annoyed Jack. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled. Claire should not move heavy things. She was 6 months pregnant. It would be their third. I told you, beta. they were they were having 2 children, one boy and one girl, but now her mother was 6 months pregnant. It would be third. Third baby was coming in their life.